Hi, my name is Matt Wadsworth, and in the next 2 minutes I'm going to discuss with you fault and fidelity in divorce cases. Well, I'm going to answer the question about infidelity or fault in a divorce case in the state of Utah. And in Utah, it's a no-fault state for purposes of divorce. And what that means is that one party doesn't have to breach what we call breach the divorce contract in order to be awarded a divorce in the case. It's kind of funny to think that way, but I mean historically, when you filed a petition to get a divorce, you had to say why. And then you had to prove the facts relevant to the why. And if you did, the court would grant you a divorce and then deal with all these other issues that you were arguing about along the way, such as property and alimony and child support. And we don't really do that anymore. It's irreconcilable differences. That's why everyone gets divorced these days. It's easy. There's like virtually no standard there. But infidelity and fault, though, now, and this just happened recently, is a consideration for purposes of alimony. And it comes into play. And it was actually a big battle within the divorce attorney world. It was a big battle in the legislature. And in my opinion, it really shouldn't be. If you have a party that has breached or whatever, I mean that's a consideration. What's funny though is that so often in divorce cases we find that there's all types of fault to go around, and that's generally where these arguments end up going. I will say though, as a matter of experience, that courts are still a little leery of considering fault, even infidelity of any kind, for purposes of alimony. And so that's just the nature of the beast. That's where we're at these days. It may change down the road, and that's just where we're at. If you found this information informative or you have other questions, we have a catalog of videos that are there to answer some of the most common questions that we have in domestic litigation cases. Feel free to contact us at my personal email, Wadsworth@arnoldwadsworth.com. You can also reach my partner at Arnold@arnoldwadsworth.com, or you can feel free to call us anytime